Guys, I picnic. I'm on the beach and then I do my own picnic. This is my food: corn, peanut, and this is the chicken, what you call that? Fried chicken, and this is potato, sweet potato, sticky rice, and barbecue pork grill, banana. Banana. What else? I have the food, fish, and this is my fruit. You know the kind of fruit is? Oh, this is delicious. We bought in Thailand. This is very delicious food. Hi, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. I enjoy myself.